Hello, here is Jo Coenen from Maastricht. I will give you a short introduction to the theme that I have found is on my desk. We are here in my private place at home. And I will give this a small introduction by means of the experiences that I have on planning universities or urban campus in context of the university. So I will show you 4 examples that I made in Holland and one abroad. These in Holland are in Tilburg, in Eindhoven, in Maastricht, and lately also in Rotterdam. These examples show us that it has to deal or with transformation of a building, existing building, where we had to work with inside to transform it, technically of course. It has to be perfect. This is one of the tasks. And the other one is about the context and making new context within the existing frame of the urban realm, in this case the Tilburg case. Here we see a plan, and then of course we start to design it in the context. Here we are in my garden, and what we see is behind me the fortification, the oldest wall of around the historic center, and behind it a former church. It had many functions since the beginning, but today we made it, in my planning, for the University of Maastricht as the headquarters of the university. We will see this in some minutes. I will guide you through the actual situation here in Maastricht. I would like to show us is a former building, is a ceremonial building of the province before. Wonderful architecture of famous Dutch architects. And we have chosen this building to transform to one of the faculties, in this case the law faculty. So I thought this wonderful building, wonderful architecture in the interiors also, the detailing, see the detailing. It's an Amsterdam school like. At the back side of there is a wonderful yard, and I will show you also the yard, how it is used now, but also by new links that we made in the urban context to link faculties with each other. For instance, such a ramp to connect this wonderful field here, the yard, with a new gate to the street next to it. So the real secret of such an intervention is to link the several institutions. Of course also linking with the housing and the context of shopping and so on around. You will see at this cross, and this was my strategy, to bring the campus into the city or the city into the campus. So all is mixed here, over here. So I think in our case it's not so easy in Milan, in the faculty, to bring this life in this way, but still this is a kind of method I would like you to learn. This was it years before, of course, in history time. So we were using all the existing material in a way that it came to life. This is the secret behind it. This is also the message. So all this I could manage and bring together in a frame. And the frame is the existing, and the frame can be the new functions, where the new functions could be settled. I found this atmosphere, this wonderful piece of landscape, old city fortifications, the new building of the Faculty of Art, the conservatory at this side. I found that place where I decided to transform the existing convent, another convent, in the Faculty for Economics, and to add for that reason also a main lecture hall We will see it now. And here we have a lecture at this moment.
Ik heb hem even op pauze gezet, want anders dan... jouw vraag is anders niet... komt toch niet op de opname.
Using the fundaments, sloping to the entrance of the main hall, or here in the same way, the existing and the new one. So it's from master planning to detail. It's about technical aspects, it's about natural aspects, social, economical of course. It's touching many factors, the architecture. I think the architect has to learn this in his study, and I will teach you this maybe this next half year. It was a pleasure. Jo Coenen from Maastricht.